Hey guys, it's Kat. I'm doing a little update on what I'm doing today. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. Just registered for classes. Had to do some changing things around, but I'm all good now. I'm going to bring you on a process of how I'm going to find a weird sound on my xylophone. For a piece that's in 035, which is like the half steps from the starting point, my professor wants me to try to use a weird sound in it, and I like the idea of that. I already have a song that I want to make a weird sound with, but I don't want to use that one on it. So I have a few ideas, and I thought, why not bring my phone, the camera with me, and film it. So here we go. Hey guys, this is my xylophone. It's 3.5 octaves. I've had it since my freshman year of college. I think I got the summer before it. Keep in mind that I'm about to be a senior next fall. Technically, it's my 4th year. A lot wrong with that. It is, if I'm correct, it's a Ross. I don't see any titles anymore. And I honestly probably wouldn't try these if this wasn't a rosewood. If this was a rosewood, I wouldn't try it, but this isn't. So I'm not too worried about it, but if I had to try some of these at school, I would be a little concerned. So I got a spatula and a whisk. A whisk. I want to try that first. So we're going to put the whisk there. I'm actually going to grab a mallet. So this is the marimba piece, so I'm just going to use a marimba mallet. That's cool. I like a splat sound with it. I kind of like that. I don't know if that's what I'm going for though, so let's see. And yes, before I put these back away, I am washing these. I kind of like this one. I'm going to actually pull up my music, so I'll be back in a minute. I'm looking at stuff. This is my music room. I saw some stuff that I didn't unpack from college yet. So I'm trying to see what can work in here. I think that was too soft, and I don't like how big this is. My dog has figured out that I have a tennis ball. She wants it. I just put it in the back. But she's a lot closer. So I went to Disneyland back in, what was it, 2017? Around this time, it was just a few weeks ago that I was there. And I got to play in Disneyland. It was cool. So after my graduation, this button ended up popping up, so I just think of Disneyland with this. Ooh. Cool sounding. Let me hear it with the logo mallet. I kind of like that. It's It's like my allergies are messing with me. It sounds kind of cool. I don't know how it's showing up over camera. I kind of like it. I could dig with that. Now this little dog is on my keychain. I was curious if he would make a noise. He probably isn't, but he's adorable. It's kind of cool though. I kind of like that. Is music fun? I remember marimbas had like this big, like oh, I can't think of it, like bell on the bottom, I guess. Not the word I want. Piping. So like it doesn't resonate much off a xylophone as much as it does a marimba. So I kind of like the idea of this guy. I bought one other toy down. Related toy. I actually just got him today. It's a little dinosaur that has egg in it. The egg is actually still full. I'm gonna see if I like his sound a little more. So, what if I get the egg out? Getting the egg out after I said earlier when I bought him I wasn't gonna have it take the egg out. Ooh, he doesn't want to let go. Like, my egg, my baby. It looks so weird without it. So I want to see. I'll try something else. I will be back in 1 second. I am back. So I went and emptied the candy. It was Smarties that was in this. And I love Smarties, so I'm going to look forward to those later. I put some change in it. I don't know how much amount. I didn't really look. I just kind of scooped. I'm going to try that now. No, I don't like that one. So I think we're going to settle with might use a button. I love this guy. I just don't think he's gonna make enough noise because this is a little more louder, more spooky noise that I don't think he's gonna do it. I wish I had other things I could experiment with. I don't. Yeah, I wish there wasn't that many flats. Unless if I just stuck to the flats and went behind him. Or even like that. It's kind of cool. It's like if you've ever seen like a marimba. Not marimba, it's more on vibes. Or I've done it on cymbals before. They take a bow to like a violin or whatever. I don't remember the exact ones because we had specific ones, and we would take it and go like that. I kind of like it when you go like this, I think, and like pushing on it. It's not hurting it. It's a little bit. I have some marks, but I don't know, it might be worth it. I like that. I think it's just like tapping on the wood. So I wouldn't use good mallets. I would use crappy mallets if you were to do that. I kind of like that. like that. So I'm gonna do what I do. I've got like, what, 5 options I like, which is good. I always forget about the weight. I always do it with the drumsticks. Like, one of the drumsticks fell as I like fell. I always do that because I was in color guard. I like doing that too. And I always like go like this. Usually the other drops. I like that though. So yeah, thank you for coming on this journey of trying weird sounds. If you made it this far, congrats. I'm gonna go harass my dog and catch you in a second. She was so confused. Oh, she came and sniffed. She's sniffing. So, she's gonna go stalk the neighbors. I don't like the glare in my glasses. So that's my video for today. I found a few sounds I actually like. Hopefully my professor likes them too. It's always like that. It's annoying. So thank you for joining me on this journey. Hopefully I can come up with something else. But yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm definitely gonna try to post more. I've only got like 3 weeks left of this semester, and I am taking a summer class as of right now. It stinks, I know. But my situation's a little different because I'm a transfer and I changed my major a few times. And yeah, it's not too good when you're trying to fit a 4-year program in 3 years. I had one too many classes, one. So I am taking that this summer. If they let me, I think they're going to. Because I technically can't go up to upper division at the moment because my hand, we're trying to give me as much as a break as I can. So I'm gonna aim to do that in the spring, like the first day of the spring semester, probably not the first day, but like within like the first week. So then I'm caught up with everything. But yeah, I know I'm not like the only person in this, probably, but I'm very rare. It's great. I did want to vlog today though because I did like a little bit of, without showing, I don't think you can see, I go to school. I did a little Beauty and the Beast Disney bound, so I have my rose and Beauty is found within, and I've got a bow on, and my hair was wavy because I slept in a braid last night. I know I usually don't do that. It was weird. But yeah, I thought I'd do something fun. I thought I was a lion earlier, and then I wanted to play as Belle today, since she's one of my favorite Disney princesses. So yeah, I'm hoping, I think I want to do this a lot more, doing like little Disney bounds, especially when I vlog. So depending on what my ears are, that might be the next thing I vlog. Might not be. We might see if I coordinate something with that. If not, I'll probably do something fun. I know I've got a Stitch sweater I want to wear. I'm getting a How to Train Your Dragon Toothless sweatshirt, but it's got his head and it's black and green tie-dye. So I'm excited for that. I've had my eye on it for a few years now, and then I found one on Poshmark after they got discontinued. Words. So that's actually coming in the mail. I'm excited about that. I might order some stuff tonight because some Funko Pops I've been on the hunt for are on sale right now. It just got released. So I'm definitely going to order that and might order some little things with it. Haven't decided, that's why I haven't ordered it just yet. But yeah, if I definitely do those, I will do a haul. I'll probably, my next one might actually be, I got a lot of Easter candy. I might do a little haul of that. As you saw one of my Easter goodies already. But yeah, thanks for joining me on my adventure and finding a new sound on my xylophone. Bye guys.